Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Again Tech Hub. Most of the subscribers asked to me what is Java and JavaScript. So JavaScript is basically designed for web pages and websites. So JavaScript can change HTML content. Yes, JavaScript can change HTML attribute values also. So I want to say something about Java. So Java can change HTML elements also. JavaScript and Java are completely different languages, both in concept and design. JavaScript was invented by Brendan Inch in 1995 and became an ECMA standard in 1997. ECMA 262 is the official name of the standard. ECMA script is the official name of the language. So I want to say something about JavaScript. Use most of the web designers software for the mainly basically designed for web designing. JavaScript functions and events. A JavaScript function is a block of JavaScript code that can be executed when called. A function can be called when an event occurs, like the user clicks a button. JavaScript tag head or tag body. You can place any number of the scripts in an HTML document. Scripts can be placed in the body tag or the head tag section of an HTML page or in both. For JavaScript in body tag, in the JavaScript function is placed in the body tag section of an HTML page, and the function is invoked when a button is clicked. JavaScript as an external. JavaScript can also be placed in external files. External scripts are practical when the same code is used in many different web pages. JavaScript files have the extension .js. Yes, JavaScript file extension is .js. The use an external script put the name of the script file in the src, that means source. That src means source attribute of script tag. You can place an external script reference in head or body tag as you like. The script will behave as if it was located exactly where the script tag is located. External JavaScript advantages. Yes, I want to say something about external JavaScript advantages. Placing scripts in external files have some advantages. It separates HTML and code. It makes HTML and JavaScript easier to read and maintain. Cached JavaScript files can speed up page loads. To add several script files to one page, use several script tags. So external references. An external script can be referenced in three different ways. First is with a full URL, that means a full web page address. Second is with a file path like .js -- without any path. So JavaScript is very essential programming language. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.